Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick Excel tutorial for 16.4 so you can get those quiz modules done faster. So we're going to be working with the autoregressive model. And basically what we're doing here is we have a time series data set where we want to create our x values here listed against the lag x value and see if the lag has any effect on the next reported value. And in this case, we're using trading volumes, but another way you can look at it is, for example, say you opened a coffee shop and you wanted to track how many people came in your coffee shop every day for a year. And you might assume that the amount of people in the next who would come the next day might rely on what the amount of people were in the day before. So if people see your shop is, very busy, tomorrow they might say, yeah, I'll go stop there next time on my way to work. I might go try that coffee because there's a lot of people there. It won't explain it won't explain everything, but it may have part to do. It may play a part in explaining why there is this X amount of people in your store. So that's the one way you can look at it. So we're going to go ahead and open this in Excel as usual, and I'll have it on the side over here. So I've plotted, this is our original set, and I've just created one on the side here where we have trading volume in the left column and the trading volume lag in the right column. And we're only going to be using this section here in the middle for our regression. That's because we can't include the variable with the first one because obviously there's no past variable to relate it to, and obviously there is no reported data in the future to base this lag off of here. So we can just delete that one just to begin with. So we'll go on data, our data tab, data analysis. We'll pop out the regression, which I'm sure we should be all familiar with at this point. Our Y are going to be our trading volume, our original data set, not including the first row because there's no lag to report here. Our X range is going to be our lag set right until not including what was here in the last row, obviously, just this within these two rectangles here. And we're not going to use labels. Sometimes that can mess it up. If you have labels on it, it'll give you a different, what it'll do, it'll take the first two columns here, the first row and your first two columns, it'll use it to label your beta coefficients. So make sure you have that ticked off if you're not using. I could have redone the table where I could have highlighted it all and had it included, and it might just be easier to read after, but in this case I didn't. Constant is not 0, right? We're going to have a constant somewhere. It starts up on the graph, an intercept. So make sure that's not ticked. Usually I find it better to have it open to a new worksheet. And you can also get the residual plots. That'll help you for other chapters, but it's not so important for this one, but we'll just keep it. Click OK. And we already know what's all about this. We're not going to focus on the other things here, just how to do the question. So right away, here you go. Your answers are right there, 17.476 and 0.055 for the variable. So let's just, how many decimals does it need? 2 decimals. So we can just go here and round it down to 2 decimals. All right. And we can just copy this, put it here, and copy that, and put it here. And that should be it. Awesome. So thanks, and if there's any questions, just drop a comment. These are pretty simple. If you want to know more about what this regression says, you can go and check out one of the earlier videos. I think probably chapter 13 or chapter 12 probably is when we first started using the regression. But yeah, so thanks, and I'll see you on another video.